Snow leopards, which scientists call Panthera uncia, are some of the biggest cats in the world, and you can find them living on the mountains up to 3 miles high in Central Asia, in countries like Pakistan, Afghanistan, and Mongolia. Maybe you've been lucky enough to see a snow leopard in person, but did you know they can jump up to 3 stories? Or that they're the only big cats that cannot roar? Snow leopards have some of the longest tails in the cat family, which they like to use as fuzzy blankets during the freezing cold winter. These tails also come in handy when it comes to balancing, since the ibex is the snow leopard's favorite snack. Ibex are famous for their ability to climb incredible steep cliff faces, so the snow leopards better keep up. Snow leopards can also eat blue sheep and occasionally hares, marmots, or pikas. They need to eat 3,896 calories a day. That's the same as eating 10 bowls of spaghetti. In terms of ibex, that's 2.79 kilograms of meat per day for all 4,500 to 7,500 snow leopards in the world. To be able to hunt that much, snow leopards need a large amount of territory, which is shrinking quickly as local ranchers expand farther north. Hungry snow leopards have been known to eat cattle or other livestock, which makes for some very angry farmers. In trying to protect their cows and sheep, they shoot up to 450 snow leopards each year, just because the snow leopards were trying to get enough to eat. Once conservation biologists realized this, they started trying to negotiate with local farmers and governments to come up with a plan to stop these killings. Thankfully, snow leopards were recently downgraded from endangered to vulnerable, but their populations are still declining, and there's still lots to be done to make sure that these predators survive. We call snow leopards a keystone species. This means that if they go extinct, their whole ecosystem will change drastically. With no snow leopards, the number of ibex will skyrocket, and they will eat all the plants and end up starving. We need snow leopards not just because they're adorable, but because they keep their entire ecosystem running by limited population size for animals that would otherwise eat all the other resources at once. So what can we do? Because they recently got downgraded from endangered, snow leopards have a harder time getting conservation funding. And many people will tell you that that's because they're doing slightly better. The work here is done. However, the fight to stabilize the snow leopard population is far from over. So tell your friends, donate to conservation groups, and ask your teacher if you can adopt a snow leopard as a class. Organizations like the World Wildlife Fund will send you a certificate, updates on your new friend, and even a cute stuffed animal to thank you for your help.